next thing what I'm going to teach you guys is how to create explosions. So please pay attention, watch what I do. Click on parts where you see this arrow. Do not click right here, okay? Do not click there. Click right here on this part. And you're going to click on spear. Click on the spear. Now, once you have done that, once you have created your spear, what you're going to do is, while it's still selected, go ahead and click on script. Click on this white circle and click on script. What we have is, we have this print hello world. Go ahead and delete that. We don't need it. And what we're going to do is, hold on, Kid Blocks. What we're going to do is we're going to start typing. So what we're going to type is local explosion part equals script dot parent. Then go ahead and type that in right now. So next thing we're going to type is local explosion equals instance dot new. And what I'm going to do is, in quotation marks, I'm going to choose explosion. I can instantly just press the explosion button, comma, game, workspace. Go ahead and type that in now. Let me see if I can change the backgrounds or something so you guys can see it. See if I can darken it a little bit. Can everybody see the words now? Okay, so the third line, what we're going to do is type in explosion dot position equals explosion part dot position. Go ahead and type that in now. All right, since everybody's finishing up, we're going to go ahead and move on. There's one more line that we need to add, and that will be it. So the line we're only going to add is explosion part, and we're going to add semicolon right there and destroy, and that's it. Then I'll show you what that does to the shape itself, because once we play it, it is going to destroy. All right, let me show you what we're going to do. All right. Just going to test it out, see if it works. Okay, did anybody see that? My thing exploded. Watch. It exploded right next to me, but let me put it into my front view so you guys can see it. Because it exploded very, very quickly. See? My thing has exploded. So you guys can pretty much test it to see if it works. But if you still need the working script, here it is. I'll just go ahead and give it to you guys right now. I'll also show it here once again. The only way you're gonna get better is if you guys practice. Now, some people might get it on the first try, some people might not. Basically, you have to just retrace your steps. So be sure everybody goes to Tech Dev Academy's YouTube for more tutorial help and extra lessons. So that's the way that those videos will help you out. Make sure to get those to you guys ASAP because I know a lot of you are still needing some practice on Roblox.